Hello everyone. All of us must have glanced some job advertisements and must have come across sentences like send in your resume, mail your CV or walk in with your biodata. Resume, CV and biodata. We almost use them interchangeably in our daily lives, isn't it? But are they all one and the same? Is there any difference between them? When do you have to use each of those? Do you need to have all of them? Let's get an overview of these terms. Biodata is an abbreviated short form for biographical data. As the name suggests, it basically gives the biographical or the personal details of an individual: date of birth, gender, religion, nationality, marital status. It was used way back in 60s and 80s and has become archaic or old-fashioned now. It is no longer used in career-oriented fields. However, even today, biodata is most preferred matrimonial format in India. Resume is a French word meaning to sum up. A resume is an introduction to your recruiters. It is a document which gives a summary of your educational background, experience and skills. A resume is a short one, ideally 1 page long or a maximum of 2 pages. This restriction of length makes it obvious that a resume can be customized according to the job or the position one has applied for. Only the most specific and relevant information with respect to the role or the position applied is listed in a reverse chronological order. That is, the current or the most recent jobs are listed first. A CV is an abbreviation of curriculum vitae. It is a Latin word meaning course of one's life. Curriculum vitae is a long document that is used when applying for academic or non-technical roles or purposes by the individuals seeking fellowships, grants, teaching and research positions. It contains an entire course of an applicant's career, education, work experience, achievements, presentations, publications, grants or fellowships awarded. Everything in a chronological order. You can trim or customize a resume but not CV, as it is a detailed course of one's life. A CV in the UK is what is known as a resume in the US. A CV is usually sent along with a cover letter, which is a 1-page document that explains your recruiter why you are an ideal candidate for the job. Well, to conclude, even though there are differences between a CV and a resume in terms of format, both of them serve the same purpose.